Hi, my name is Patrick, and this video is to tell you why should one write IPM BBA Entrance Exam after 12th. Now, this is for students who are just past 12th now, or people who will be passing on, who are just past 10th, 11th. They can also watch this video. So we do run courses for the IPMAT and the BBA Entrance Examinations. The colleges that run the 5-year IPM courses. IPM is you do a BBA or BSc, whichever course, graduation plus MBA, 5-year course. So you come out with an MBA. So colleges which like IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, IIM Ranchi, IIM Jammu, or top college, or good colleges have IPM courses. So that's good. The second is there are 3-year BBA courses as well. Delhi University, NMAT Symbiosis, a good college. Almost all good graduation courses do have BSc BBA course, BMS BBA courses. So you can look at that option as well. So either 3-year or a 5-year course. So what are the advantages? Now for this year, I'm just putting the dates. There are still dates available for various colleges. IPMAT Indore 27 March, IPMAT Rohtak last date is 11th April, GMAT is 10 March. That is one. But yes, Master BBA CET you should have March 20th, NPAT which is 26 May, and set form 12. So if you're interested, do fill the form for the entrance examination. Even if you're not sure, my recommendation is fill the form and try to get admission. For Maharashtra, it is important that you need to write this examination to get into the BBA CET, BBA BMS courses of some of the top colleges like Jai Hind, Potar, etc., and then Nursing Monji. So do fill the form. Now, what are the advantages? First is you get admission to top B school directly. You get admission to like IIM Indore, IIM Ranchi, IIM Rohtak, with some of top colleges. So you don't have to write the CAT exam. You completely miss out on the CAT exam and you get into some top MBA colleges. Otherwise, if you want to go after graduation, you will have to write the CAT examination, which is very competitive to get into one of these B schools. Okay. Also, there are top BBA colleges like Xavier's, NMIMS guys. They also give you good prospects in terms of career in management. You can use that. Next is high placements. The normal placements of the IPM students are same as what the MBA students are. They're normally common. The 4th and 5th year of the IPM course is same as the 2-year MBA course. Like for example, in IIM Indore, the average package goes up about 30 lakhs per annum, and they have top roles like consulting, marketing, finance, etc. Same way for other top MBA colleges, they do have these placements. So there is great placement opportunity even in the BBA courses. A lot of BBA courses, there's some of the top colleges, they do also have great placement opportunities in MNCs, banks, or startups. You have a dual degree, so you pass out both BBA and the MBA course. The graduation course and the MBA, you do save time basically. Normally, what happens? You do a BBA, then you spend some time in writing the CAT examination, and then you do an MBA. There's a wastage of time. So here you finish a 5-year course, so it's an advantage as such. You save time, which is good. You have flexibility in career. For students who are not very sure what they want to do, my recommendation is do MBA, do BBA or MBA, because it gives you flexibility in terms of what you want to choose. So you can choose maybe a finance or a marketing or operations or consulting or anything that you want to do. Or you're interested in business, BBA, MBA is a good career option. So it gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of what career you want to choose. If you do a normal graduation in a particular engineering field, you are stuck to engineering. Here you have a lot of flexibility in that. So if you are not very sure, definitely BBA. If you're sure, look at the options available and then you can take a choice. There are a lot of exams out here like NPAT, etc., which is entrance for a lot of varied courses which you want to choose from, right? From branding, advertising, etc. Right? I hope this helps. We'll come up with videos that will help you with regards to IPM, BBA, and career options. If you're interested, to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.